Rick Scott in Miami Beach today to announce an additional $25 million in funding to fight the spread of Zika. This news comes as the state health department announced 2 more non-travel related cases of Zika right here in Miami-Dade County.
And one of those patients is connected with the Zika investigation on Miami Beach. Local 10's Derek Shore live there with the latest on this Zika fight. Derek.
Well, today the governor came out to this new expanded Miami Beach Zika zone, making that announcement for that additional funding, saying he wants to target a vaccine, trying to develop one of those, and increase testing in pregnant women. Governor Rick Scott hitting the streets of Miami Beach today, meeting with businesses and announcing $25 million more for the fight against Zika.
I'm still, I guess, shocked, disappointed that the federal government still has not become a good partner. Congress and the White House have not come together and passed a bill that the president will sign.
The governor, again, expressing his frustrations with lawmakers in Washington who have yet to put together a comprehensive Zika funding bill. The state has pledged now a total of $61 million, the latest 25 going toward 2 key missions.
To work on finding a vaccine and also to come up with an innovative testing any innovative testing that help our pregnant women find out faster.
Meanwhile, the governor dropping in on businesses on 41st Street, a more local area, but in Miami Beach, businesses of any kind like this optical shop still rely on some tourism dollars.
Well, we definitely do have a lot of tourists coming around, so obviously if they see stuff on the news and stuff like that, that's a concern to them. So it does affect us.
There was one business who said they saw gains, this local hardware store, for obvious reasons.
People come in a lot more just to purchase more of the off and the bug sprays and the gardening stuff, so if anything, it's helping with that.
But certainly plenty of other businesses feeling the effects of Zika fears. Now, we asked the governor just how long he thought it would be until a vaccine could be made for Zika. He said at this point he doesn't have any idea, but he says he needs to put this money forward because Washington has yet to do so. We're live in Miami Beach. Derek Shore, Local 10 News.